tofu masala, tofu stew, or tofu curry. Today we are going to make tofu masala. The ingredients are onions, ginger and garlic, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, and chili powder. Tofu is also called as soya paneer, a byproduct of soya, which almost looks like paneer. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the cumin seeds. Put in the shallots or onion. Put in the garlic and ginger. And salt. Soft until the onions are a golden brown. Put in the red chili and salt. Then put in the coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder and turmeric powder and salt. And mix and salt for 2 to 3 minutes. Put in the tomatoes and salt. While sorting, the tomatoes can be crushed once they are well cooked. Crush the tomatoes while sorting. Now put in the tofu or soya paneer and mix so that the masala gets completely mixed with the tofu. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes until the masala is completely applied on the tofu. Pour in 3 cups of water. Mix the paneer and the masala with the water and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Put in the curry leaves. Now the tofu masala is nearly ready. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and take off the flame and it can be served. This is the final tofu masala or tofu curry. Very tasty and delicious dish. This can be used as an alternative for paneer.